Welcome to DashboardSymbols.com. This is the first in a series of videos that will follow the installation of a backup camera and new entertainment center in a 2007 Audi A4. The car was not originally equipped with a backup camera or an advanced center stack. The units being used are Chinese made, and so we will deal with some very poor and sometimes funny documentation. But as you can see, the camera and center stack are installed and working. Mostly. As we begin to put these videos together, there remain some struggles with getting the radio of all things, as well as Bluetooth and USB connections to work properly, and hopefully we'll have a final video that wraps things up successfully. We started with the backup camera installation, and that process will actually be seen in the next video. There are a number of options that we looked at. We rejected this style, which would have replaced a license plate light with one that included the camera. But we've been through this with an LED plate light upgrade already. It was a dicey install and did not feel confident about another that added a camera. We were really excited to find this, which adds the camera to the trunk switch. Unfortunately, a great idea was poorly implemented and the item was deeper than the available space. There were other minor size differences as well, but they couldn't be tested. We didn't see this item, which looks really intriguing. If you decide to go this way, measure very, very carefully, and don't be surprised if it doesn't meet expectations. It has to fit too many items, and so we were down to drilling holes for the install. We chose this item from Coolant. It has a single straight threaded post and is chrome. There's nothing black on the back of the car. We ran into one problem created by the device and one that we created ourselves and managed to work through them. We'll stop here in order to keep these videos at 3 to 5 minutes or so. In truth, this was many hours of work over several days and weeks as we found the time, condensed into what will end up being a handful of videos. And please, this will take some cojones. If you're not comfortable with any aspect of this, don't take it on. We'll install the camera in the next vid. For more useful videos on automotive technology, particularly on keyless start cars and warning lights, look for more videos from us here on YouTube. Subscribe to this channel or go to DashboardSymbols.com.